What's up, everybody? This is Chris from Chris Eats and Travels. Today we are out on the corner of Branham and Meridian in San Jose. We're going to check out a place called Milohas. It's Colombian Empanadas. A little hungry for breakfast this morning. I might do a little bit of overeating. We'll see, but hang tight. We're going to go inside and check out what they've got. See you in a bit. Please keep in mind, this place is closed on Mondays. It's open at 7:30 a.m. until 7 p.m. on weekdays. And then weekends, they're open from 8:30 until 7 o'clock on Saturdays and 6 o'clock on Sundays. All right, so I got an iced coffee. It's early. I need my coffee. Ooh, that's some good coffee. All right. So I got 3 empanadas. I got a beef, a chicken and cheese, I believe, and a spinach and cheese. I'm not sure which one's which, but they also gave me 3 sauces. I asked them for the spicy sauce, so I think this is the spicy sauce. Ooh, man, these things smell delicious. They smell great, buttery. All right, so I think this looks like the beef. Take a bite without the sauce first. Oh, that's hot. No, that's hot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mm. Oh man, that's hot, but it's delicious. All right, so that was definitely the beef, and it is fully loaded with beef. Oh man, that's good. Can't tell exactly what the spices are. Excuse the noise in the background. There's a car wash right near here. All right. Oh, it's falling apart. All right. Let's try it with the spicy sauce. Mm. Oh man. All right, that's good. I'm just gonna make a mess out here. Can't tell exactly what's in there, but it's not super spicy, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it. It is definitely addictive, though. All right. Again, that's just filled with meat. All right, let's try one of these other ones. Okay, so that was the chicken. Looks like there's some herbs, some shredded chicken in there, spices. Let's see. Let's put some of the sauce on there. Hmm. All right, and then this will be the spinach and cheese one. All right, that's super cheesy. Oh, yeah. That was nice. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna finish this beef one. This one's good. Yeah. So I finished mine. Um, they were all freaking delicious. Let's go back to the car and then I'll give you guys my review. Oh, all right. That was a lot of food. Three empanadas might have been a bit much, but they're all fantastic. Pastry on the outside is amazing. So Milohas apparently means 1,000 layers, and definitely tasted and seemed like it. Very buttery pastry. Kind of what I want out of an empanada. Like it's very flaky, very moist on the inside, tender. Out of the three, so I got the chicken, the beef, and the spinach and cheese. Out of the three, I would say, ooh, you guys might not believe me on this one, especially if you know who I am. The spinach and cheese, I think, is the winner. That one really stood out. Super cheesy, not like overly cheesy, but great cheese flavor. Tons of spinach in there, well seasoned. That was one of the things with these empanadas that I really appreciated is they're very well seasoned. Even without the sauce, they were delicious, but that sauce was fantastic. That spicy sauce that they have, I would put it on pretty much anything. I kind of want to go buy a bottle of it and take it home. If you guys are from the Bay Area, especially in the San Jose area, if you've ever been to La Vic's, small Mexican chain, their food's not great, but they have this thing called the orange sauce, which everybody around here knows, and everybody loves the orange sauce. Like people used to actually steal them. So this sauce is very similar to that. I would say a tiny bit more of a kick than the La Vic's orange sauce, but again, I would put it on anything, whether it's meat, veggies, pastries, whatever. I would put this sauce on everything. Beef one is probably my second favorite. That one was really good. It's ground beef. Again, really nice and seasoned. Couldn't tell exactly what spices were in there, but it had almost like a cinnamon nutmeggy flavor. Apparently, everything here is the grandmother's recipe. It's a small family owned shop. So, oh man, sorry, I'm still recovering from all that food. That was a big meal for this early in the morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. The chicken one, it was good. Not my favorite. It was a tiny bit on the drier side. It was a shredded chicken, had some had some herbs in there. Had a little bit of a cilantro flavor, which I love cilantro, but this, to me, the chicken was a little bit on the dry side, whereas the beef, super tender, moist, had good seasoning. So again, it's the spinach and cheese, then the beef, and then the chicken. But by far, that spinach and cheese was my favorite one. That one was absolutely delicious. That's probably the one that I would get every single time that I come here. The beef one I like because there's a ton of filling in there, and it's also just very flavorful. They do a great job of seasoning their stuff. Again, this was Milohas. It's on the corner of Meridian and Branham, right across the street from the Branham High School. Highly recommend this place. Like I found out about this recently, and I'm probably gonna keep going here for breakfast every once in a while. Three empanadas might be a bit much. I think two would probably be a good option. So I got three of the smaller empanadas. They have two sizes. The small empanadas are, I'll put the prices, but I believe it was $6.65 for each, or at least that's what she charged me. I thought on the menu it said $7.25. I'll have to check it later, but all three were absolutely delicious. Again, the chicken was not my favorite, but apparently that's the owner's favorite. He eats it every single day. That's the story that I heard. Again, it's a small family run shop. Apparently everything there is the grandmother's recipes. So I highly support that. I would recommend coming there, checking it out, get a couple empanadas. Their coffee was really good as well. Show some love for small family run businesses. All right, so now that I'm stuffed with food, if you guys like this type of content, subscribe, give me a like, leave me some comments as far as where you would recommend that I check out. But highly, highly recommend it. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.